Hello everyone, this is Luma, and today I'm just going to make a quick tutorial on how to get started playing SGSP and how to do the 100% speedrun. Okay, so first you're going to need a live split, which is the timing program we use. And we use this thing called an auto splitter. What it does is it splits it for you and it removes load times, creating an even playing field. So to activate it, click edit splits. Splits editor should show up any second. Now there it is. Make sure the name of the game is SpongeGlock SquarePants, exactly like this. And you should see this thing here, order starts slash split script and load remover by Luma, me, lol. Click activate, and that's it, it should be ready. So, you'll probably see, if you clear save and then play, the order sort of won't start. What you need to do first is clear save, create a new game, then exit, and then click play again, and then the auto splitter should start. There we go. So, gonna teach some movement tech. Actually, I should go into Bikini Bottom. Should leave quick. Okay, so movement tech. We've got strafing. So hold shift, W and any direction, A or D, and you'll start strafing. This is faster than normal sprinting. In addition to that, we have bunny hopping. So do a strafe, but jump. This is the fastest method right now that you travel. And yeah, that's it. There's not much movement to the game. That's it, basically. Okay, so what you do is you're going to spawn here. You strafe onto this, then leave. That you should be at around 6 seconds. So you're going to strafe jump all the way to the Krusty Krab. Just like that. Okay, so now we've got our first trick of the run. So you see when it says E talk? What you want to do is you want to press E 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finish the dialogue. You should see you have the objective, snap Patrick's neck. If it doesn't say that, you did it wrong. You either pressed E too many times or not enough times. So we're gonna strafe bunny hop back here. And we're gonna kick down Squidward's door. And you'll see that we don't get the cutscene. Just leave. And then, there's also another advantage of this, and it's that you can't talk to Patrick, so snapping his neck is easy. Next, we're gonna go kill Larry and defend ourselves. So, I like to come up here. You can go anywhere you want as long as it's fast. Don't do that, obviously. Come up here. Shoot Larry. Shoot sidekicks. Side bitches. Then you're gonna b-hop over this hill and enter Shady Shoals. Also, another thing I have to mention is that ammo is the same through level transitions. It doesn't automatically refill. So in a section like this, what I'd recommend is, okay, so I'm gonna empty our clip, spam R, so we get the reload animation, and then leave. Okay, so we're gonna see crabs. Talk to him normally. Go kill Sandy. Gonna get a phone call. Make sure to reload. Try not to miss shots, because of course every time you miss a shot, waste quite a lot of time. Okay. Yeah, you're probably wondering how that sandy trick worked. Basically, bullets in this game have no collision. They go through anything. There we go. Oh, so you're going to want to do that quickly, so we're going to enter the bank. Reload if you haven't already. Shoot everyone. Okay, so now we've got another trick. Well, first you're going to empty out your gun. Okay, so when you press E to leave, don't press E, hold E. Keep holding it down. This will place you, every single time, this will place you in front of SpongeBob's house. That's the fast travel trick. So we're gonna talk to Krabs. Okay, reload your gun if you've accidentally shot or something. Wait here. Okay, and then when he hits the bomb, start shooting him. I also recommend spamming R if you can. Therefore you can get more shots in. There we go. This should be the final one. You want to get it so you only use 3 bombs. There you go, that's it, that's the run. You don't have to worry about live split, everything does itself on its own. Good. Yeah, that's the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed watching and happy running.